Welcome to my channel. Dear students, today we are going to start the first chapter of 10th class, that is real numbers. In this video, we will learn about types of numbers, and after that we will go for the remaining concepts of real numbers. So first, we will try to understand what is the difference between digit and numbers. Let us try to understand the difference between digits and numbers by these two definitions. Numbers are expressed by means of figures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0 called digits. Out of these digits, 0 is called insignificant digit, whereas others are called significant digit. So as you know very well that 0 doesn't have any value, that's why we are saying that it is an insignificant digit. जैसा कि आपको पता है ज़ीरो की कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती है, इसीलिए हम इसे कहेंगे इनसिग्निफिकेंट डिजिट, और बचे हुए बाकी तमाम नंबर्स को हम कहेंगे सिग्निफिकेंट डिजिट. नाउ लेट अस ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ नंबर्स. A group of figures representing a number is called a numeral. A group of figures. Let us try to understand with an example. 197, 2020 and 279, etc. As we can see here, 197 is a combination of three digits 1, 9 and 7. ऐसे नंबर्स जिसमें हम एक से ज़्यादा टाइप के नंबर्स को यूज़ करेंगे, वैसे कलेक्शन ऑफ डिजिट्स को हम कहेंगे न्यूमेरल्स. सो दीज आर द बेसिक्स अबाउट द डिजिट्स एंड नंबर्स. Now let us move towards the next concept, that is type of numbers. So today we are going to talk about 10 types of numbers. They are divided in 10 types. So let us start with the first type of number. The first type of number is natural numbers. Numbers which we use for counting the objects are known as natural numbers, and they are denoted by n, and this can be written as n equals to 1 2 3 4 5. ऑब्जेक्ट्स को काउंट करने के लिए जो नंबर्स को यूज़ किया जाता है, वैसे नंबर्स को हम कहेंगे नेचुरल नंबर्स. द सेकंड टाइप ऑफ नंबर इज होल नंबर्स. Whole numbers. When we include 0 in the natural numbers, they are denoted by W. Means नेचुरल नंबर्स के सेट में अगर हम 0 को ऐड कर देते हैं, तब वो सेट बन जाएगा होल नंबर्स. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स एंड द सेट ऑफ होल नंबर इज अबाउट ओनली 0. इन दोनों के बीच में सिर्फ डिफरेंस रहेगा 0 के. नाउ द थर्ड वन इज integers. The set of numbers which consist of whole numbers and negative numbers is known as set of integers, and it is denoted by I. The set of numbers which consist of whole numbers and negative numbers. यहाँ पर अगर आप देखोगे तो 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 इन नंबर से पहले कुछ और नंबर से जो नेगेटिव साइन रखते हैं, लाइक -1 -2 -3 -4. सो इन दिस सेट नेगेटिव नंबर्स विल बी देयर एज वेल एज द सेट ऑफ होल नंबर्स विल बी देयर. ओके, सो दिस इज द सेट ऑफ इंटीजर्स. लेट अस मूव टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ नंबर्स. द नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ नंबर इज रेशनल नंबर. व्हेन द नंबर्स आर रिटर्न in fraction, they are known as rational numbers, and they are denoted by Q. What is mean by rational number? A rational number can be written in the form of fraction, in which we will have numerator and we will have denominator, like 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 8 by 9, 13 by 15 are rational numbers. You can define rational number in other definition, in other words, like the numbers which can be written in the form of p by q, where p comma q are integers, are called rational numbers. And one thing you have to keep in your mind, that Q should not be equal to 0. जब भी आप कोई रेशनल नंबर लिखते हो तो आपको ये चीज़ जहन में रखना है कि डिवीज़न में जो वैल्यू रहेगी, डिनोमिनेटर में जो वैल्यू रहेगी, वो वैल्यू कभी भी ज़ीरो ना हो। अगर ये वैल्यू ज़ीरो बन जाती है तब ये रेशनल नंबर नहीं कहलाएगा। नाउ लेट अस गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ नंबर, दैट इज़ इर्रेशनल नंबर। Irrational number, the number which cannot be written in the form of p by q, are known as irrational number. Okay, so these are quite opposite to each other. We can simply say that the number which can be expressed in the form of p by q are called rational number, and the numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q are called irrational number. We will see in the next session that what type of numbers cannot be expressed in the form of p by q and which type of numbers can be expressed in the form of p by q. Let us try to understand this concept by these points. All terminating decimals are called rational numbers. Terminating decimals means after the point, if you are dividing any rational number, after the point, if the digits are end at a particular point, at a particular position, after few digits you are going to stop your division, then that type of numbers are called terminating decimals. So all terminating decimals are called rational numbers. Non-terminating recurring decimals are called rational numbers. For example, 1 by 3 is equal to 0.3333, so on. So these type of representation also called rational numbers. And the last one, that is non-terminating non-recurring decimals are called irrational numbers. Means after the point we will not have any particular pattern of the digits, so that type of numbers are called non-terminating non-recurring decimals, and these type of decimals cannot be expressed in the form of p by q. Let us go for the next type of number. The next type of number is a real number. Real numbers include both rational as well as irrational numbers, and it is denoted by R. So the combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers, both are called real numbers. The next one is prime number. A number other than 1 is called a prime number if it is divisible by 1 and itself. Few numbers are there in the set of real numbers which are divided by itself or it is divided by only 1. So let us take for example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These are the numbers which are divisible by itself or which are divisible by 1. No any other number can divide these numbers. These type of numbers are called prime numbers. Now the next type of number is composite number. A number other than 1 which is not a prime, number is called a composite number. In simple words, you can say that the number which is not a prime is called composite number. Like for example 4, 6, 8, 9, 12. These are the numbers which are divisible by 1, divisible by 2, divisible by 4. So these type of numbers are called composite numbers. One more definition you can write like a number which are having more than 2 factors are called composite number. Okay, now let us move towards the next type of number, that is even number. The number which is divisible by 2 is known as even number. So to identify whether the given number is even or not, you have to check its unit place. अगर यूनिट प्लेस पर 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 ये नंबर्स अगर आते हैं यूनिट प्लेस पर, तो इन नंबर्स को हम कहेंगे इवन नंबर, एंड दिस नंबर आर डिविजिबल बाय 2. द नेक्स्ट वन इज ऑड नंबर. The numbers which are not divisible by 2 is known as an odd number. After dividing with 2, you will leave the remainder 1. So these type of numbers are called odd numbers. If any big number is given to you and is asking you to identify whether it is even number or odd number, अगर कोई बहुत ही बड़ा नंबर हमारे सामने आता है तो हम डिवाइड करने से पहले चेक कर सकते हैं कि ये नंबर ऑड रहेगा या इवन रहेगा. यू हैव टू चेक इट्स यूनिट प्लेस. अगर यूनिट प्लेस पर 1, 3, 5, 7 एंड 9 अगर ये नंबर्स आते हैं देन डेफिनेटली it will be an odd number. So these are the types of numbers, and you have to remember all these type of numbers to make your concepts, make your basic strong. And in the next video we will learn a new topic, that is positive integers, the properties of positive integers. There are two types of properties of positive integers. The first one is Euclid division algorithm, and the second one is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So these are the two topics what we are going to use in the next video. So till then, just remember all these type of numbers and make your basics strong, and we will meet in the next video. If you have any doubt, if you want to ask anything, please ask your question in the comment box, and I will try to give you reply in that, and I will try to make a video on that thing. Thank you very much. Thank you.